Hey, parents of my young chemists. My name is Shoshone Hughes, and I am super excited to bring chemistry to your kiddos this year. I hope that we have a smooth transition into the hybrid option. I'm really excited to see your kiddos face to face and get going with the rest of chemistry throughout the year. In case you don't know me, this is actually my 21st year of teaching. I taught for 17 years at West High and then opened up the building here at Liberty. This is my 4th year of teaching here. I've taught a variety of subjects, earth and space, biology, but chemistry is my passion, and that's where I'm solely concentrating on this year. One thing I'd like to share with you is that chemistry is definitely different than other sciences. First trimester, we set the foundation and we cover things like intro to chem and matter, which we're doing right now. We dive into atoms, we dive into ions and bonding, and then we learn a lot about the periodic table, the trends of the periodic table, the information it can tell us about matter, and all of the ins and outs of atoms and compounds and whatnot. The crazy thing about it and how this is different than other science classes is that if kids are uncomfortable with the concepts that we cover in first trimester, it is really going to be super challenging second and third try. As you can see down at the bottom here, we have applied topics second and third try of reactions, gas laws, solutions, moles, stoichiometry, energy, equilibrium, acids and bases, all of these crazy big science words. And the common thing I like to tell my chemists is chemistry does not go away. In many other things that we cover, we are very topical and we are very, you can take a test and be done and move on. But in chemistry, it's like a snowman. We're slowly building the first little layer, and then we're going to roll and put the body on, and then we're going to add the head. So we build and build and build on our knowledge throughout the year. Why do I tell you this? One thing for kids to be successful in chemistry is they need to be proactive and not reactive. So if you hear your kiddo saying, I don't get it, this doesn't make sense to me, that is a huge problem. Because again, chemistry does not go away. Understanding absolutely matters. So please encourage your student to make sure that they're asking questions, that they're coming in and they're getting help and being proactive about it. Not reactive, where they've taken an assessment, they've bombed it, and like, oh man, this is now I have to go back and I have to reassess and I have to get that understanding again. Be proactive. The other thing is when we get into some difficult content, like in second trimester, this might seem like life skills, but encourage them to stay positive, encourage them to communicate with me, and encourage them to get help. They do have the Remind 101 app that allows them to text questions to me outside of school. If they're not on that, make sure that they are. And obviously Canvas will be what we will use to feel comfortable with finding the material, to go back and review the material. Everything will be posted on there and at their fingertips to get extra help. Anyway, so thank you for listening to this video. If you ever have any questions, let me know. In the meantime, go Bolts. Bye, guys.